I want to be fluent, I want to speak good English, but I don't know how to start thinking in English. This is the title of this video, and I will be telling all about this thing. I will be telling how to start thinking in English language, because this has been a very common struggle that everybody faces who is beginner, who started learning this language, who just started now, and they want to be fluent in this language, but they are struggling a lot. And despite having a lots of practice, despite giving too much time for learning this language, they are unable to speak good English. They can understand at least 80% of English language, but they are unable to speak at all. They are unable to speak at least 20 to 30% of that. How? Why is it happening with them? I am going to tell everything in this video, and I will provide you the very essential steps that you guys have to be focused on. If you guys will focus on those steps, you are going to learn, and I will give you a bonus tip for that, for those steps at the end of the video. So watch this video till the end, and please don't try to skip this video. You guys don't have to skip anything in this video, because here is a live example. One day I was unable to speak at all in this language. I was unable to understand anything in this language. I was unable to write anything in this language. I was not good at all in this language. But how did I overcome those fears? How did I overcome the struggle of speaking? I already have uploaded a video on that topic, but I will be telling here something about this. So without any further delay, let's get started. For spoken English, the main struggle is how to start thinking in English language. If you are able to start thinking in English language, your half work is done. Your half work is done when you are able to think in English language. But for starting thinking in English language, you will have to work a lot. I am going to tell those steps that will make you very generic person, that will make you the guy who will be able to think in English language, who will not need to translate from your regional language to English language. I am going to tell you the steps. I'm going to tell you the steps fastly. Okay, number one, आपको क्या करना है? Firstly, you have to surround yourself in this language. For surrounding, you have to do three things. Number one, you have to surround yourself in your room. Okay, in this language. Step two, you have to surround yourself by listening a lot in this language. Number three, you have to look for the supportive environment where you guys can speak. So these are three surrounding steps. So this was the first step, surround yourself in this language. And step two, learning the sentences, daily life sentences, English to English. You have to learn those sentences. You just have to understand the meaning of those sentences, those daily life sentences. Okay. And step three is writing. Start writing a diary. It will help you to learn this language, to speak very good English, to think in English language. It will also help you to be free from stress, be free from overthinking. Okay, so this is the step three. Step four, that is reading. Start reading a book in English language. Start reading any newspaper in English language. Start reading anything in English language. It will not only help you to start thinking English language, but also it will help you in many ways. You will be able to understand, you will be able to be informed with the new words, new vocabularies. You will be able to know about the very good things, very good stories, very good. If you are reading newspaper, you will be able to know what is going on in the world. If you are reading any book, so you will be able to enjoy that story. Okay, so these are 4 steps that I have told you for starting. If you want to start thinking in English language, so how to start thinking in English language, I have told those steps. If you will follow those steps, you will be able to start thinking in English language. But how did I start thinking in English language? I am going to tell you in this video. So if you are able to follow these 4 steps, for following these 4 steps, you would definitely need to have a kind of, courage or consistency and discipline. If you are disciplined in your life, if you are disciplined in your whole day, you will definitely be able to speak very good English. You will definitely be able to speak very good English in just 1 or 2 months, guys. Or thinking in English language, if you will follow these 4 steps that I have told, you will be able to start thinking in English language. तो think करने के लिए आपको ये 4 steps follow करने हैं language. And after you are able to think in English language, you guys have to do a lots of practice. Only if you are able to start thinking in English language will not help you to speak very good English, because there are many things you need to learn. There are many things you need to learn. You need to learn a lot. You need to learn the daily usage sentences, daily use life sentences. You need to learn daily life sentences, day-to-day life conversation sentences. You have to watch the videos where you are learning a lot daily life conversation, how to speak formally, how to give the introduction, how to start a conversation, how to understand the movies, the dubbed movies or English original movies. So these are the steps that you guys have to follow after you are able to think in English language. For thinking in English language, you definitely need to do lots of hard work. You definitely need to learn a lot. You definitely need to be consistent in your learning journey. Otherwise, you cannot start thinking in English language. You cannot speak very good English, because for thinking in English language is a lot of struggle. Only for thinking in English language is a lots of struggle. तो इस स्ट्रगल को पार करके ही you will be able to speak very good English. So this is how, guys, you will be able to think in English language. And guys, I also have followed these steps. Only because of this reason, I am here in front of you. I am speaking in front of you in English language. I don't need to translate Hindi to English language. I don't need, really, guys. I'm not speaking a lie. I am speaking the truth that I don't need to translate. I am speaking whatever the things I am speaking. It is coming automatically to my mind. It is coming and I am speaking. I am not thinking कि मैं पहले सोचूं फिर उसके बाद बोलूं. तो यदि मैं सोचता और फिर उसके बाद बोलता, तो I would not be able to speak very fast. I would not be able to speak fastly if I would think in English language. If I would translate from Hindi to English language, I would not be able to speak fastly. So this is the reality. How I overcame the struggle of speaking English language. This is how I overcame the fear of speaking English. Guys, the bonus tip that I had to tell you, that I had to advise you is you guys have to do one thing. Only one thing will help you to start thinking in English language. The only one thing, that is you guys have to speak. You guys have to speak about the things that those are in your room. If you are looking at anything, you guys have to speak about that. For example, if you are looking at the watch, So you just have to form at least 5 to 6 sentences and have to record yourself on your mobile phone camera like this. This is the wall, this is the watch, this is hanged by the thread, and this is telling us, telling us the time, how the time is going on. Time is not that will stop. Time is not that thing ki it will stop after sometimes. It will be going on. It will be going on. If we are not working anything, it will be going on. So, and there are 3 types of needles on the watch. On that watch, there are 3 types of needles. One of that watch, one of those needles is which is telling us about the hour, and the second is which is telling us about the minute, and third is about the seconds. So these types of sentences I have taught you about watch, and there are multiple things in your room will be in your room, like books, table, wall, almirahs, threads, and other things. So you guys can speak about those things like this that I have told, that I have given example. Like this example you guys have to speak. So this is the bonus tip. If you are going to follow this tip, it will not only help you to start thinking English language, but also it will help you to speak very good English in just 1 month or 2 months if you are practicing every day at least for 20 minutes. So this is the bonus tip. This is the exercise for you. This is the exercise that I have given you. You guys have to practice this exercise every day, like you do exercises for the for your health. For your health, if you do exercises, if you don't do, please start doing exercises. It's like this, you guys have to do at least 20 minutes exercise for your spoken English, like your health. तो अपनी हेल्थ की तरह आपको स्पोकन इंग्लिश के लिए भी 20 मिनट की एक्सरसाइज रखनी है. इन दैट एक्सरसाइज यू गाइज हैव टू प्रैक्टिस दिस बोनस टिप दैट आई हैव टोल्ड हियर. This is how you will be able to start thinking in English language. So this is what I wanted to talk about in this video, ki how to start thinking English language, because this is the main struggle of everybody who just want to speak very good English, who come from the village areas, who come from Hindi medium background, who come from the very basic background. They don't have the words to speak. They already are coming from the very basic background, Hindi medium background. So how to start thinking English language? They are struggled a lot. For this. तो मैं आपसे relate कर सकता हूँ. I can relate to everyone who come from these backgrounds. I have completed all my education in Hindi medium background so far. I also come from village areas. If you don't believe, you can watch my videos where I have shown my field, where I've shown my village, outside of the village. But you will be able to know how the challenges I have faced. I have provided those things in my videos. So the challenges will make you strong. The challenges will make you to speak very good English. The challenges will make you to think in English language. Okay, so if you like my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can never miss my videos, and share to all your friends who are very close to you, so that they can also watch my videos and learn something from me. And we just have to keep growing in our life, so that we guys can learn a lot in our lives. So learning never ends if you are going to start from now. So there are many things which you guys can learn. So start learning from now. Don't procrastinate it for the tomorrow, because tomorrow will never come. Learning, if you want to learn something, so start learning now. Okay, so don't procrastinate, and be consistent, be disciplined in your life. Learn every day and speak very good English in just 1 month. Have a good day. We will meet in another video. Bye bye.